Hi.
Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel and to this month's Vanother Collective vlog. So the Vanother Collective, who are all listed down there somewhere, are a like-minded group of motorhome, campervan, caravanning enthusiasts, and every month we get together and put out a collective video. We have the same 12 topics, but we don't do them all the same month. So
We
get
chop and change.
you get 12 chances to see everybody and a different video each month. Anyway, enough of all that. Our video this month is cheap
Eats.
So, oh my God, cheap eats. Well, other than a bag of crisps, what is cheap these days? And even they're not cheap. Remember when they used to be 5p for a bag of crisps?
Crisps are so expensive. There's nothing cheap about crisps.
I know. Anyhow, we're going to do cheap eats, and we're kicking off with my favourite.
My favourite.
pulled
I love
pork.
eating it.
And this one is specially for Julie in the Vanother Collective because I promised her a 4-ingredient pulled pork. So, first ingredient, obviously, pork shoulder, basically. Then all you need is some thyme, as in minutes and seconds, not
I was going to say, we haven't got any time.
not the herb. Barbecue sauce, usually we make our own, but if it's a 4-ingredient dish, any barbecue sauce that you like, because Heinz or any other person has done the hard work for you. Cider and chili flakes, just to add some taste. Salt and pepper, obviously, but they don't really count.
That doesn't count.
So 4 ingredients: pig, sauce, chili, cider. That's it. And you then got 2 options. You can stick it in a slow cooker for 6 hours and let it bubble away, or you can pop it in the pressure cooker like we've done for 2 hours.
Equally delicious.
Comes out just the same, it's just one's quicker than the other. Once it's done, pull the pork, rip it up, take the sauce that you've just cooked it in, reduce it down, pour it over, barbecue sauce, chips or brioche rolls, jobs are good, and a bit of salad by the side if you want, but effectively it's just 4 ingredients for a beautiful dish. Our favourite cheap eats. What's next, H?
Oh, the next is, now you said I was being silly saying this, but I think the next is soup.
Soup.
I love soup.
Can't get cheaper than soup because you can make it yourself.
Not so much at this time of year. I don't tend to have as much soup at this time of year. Although I went out the other day and had cold soup, which was divine.
Excuse me, what's the point of cold soup?
When it's hot, it's nice to have cold things.
It's like buying a car without a V8 engine. What's the point?
Anyway, soup. And our favourite soup is pea soup.
So what do you need to make soup?
To make the pea soup that we love, we need an onion, we need a potato, and obviously you need a few peas and a bit of stock, and you just basically throw it all into the pressure cooker or throw it all into a pan. You cook the potato, the onion and everything first. You put the peas in, you blitz it all up, and
Bit of chilli, because we always put chilli in.
we put
everything.
chilli in. You can also put ham in it, depending on whether you want it vegetarian or not.
Mint.
Mint's really nice in
You have
it.
to put mint
But
in
it
it.
is-
Pea and mint just goes together so
But
well.
I was going to say it's cheap as chips, but it's not. It's
It's
even
cheap as peas.
cheaper. It's as cheap as peas. So yeah, that's our favourite soup. But basically soup in general, because you can make soup from anything. Vegetables, you can get the stuff, at the supermarket when they're selling off the cheap stuff because it's nearly out of date.
Don't even buy vegetables. Soup is cheap because you just blitz everything you didn't eat yesterday.
100 different sorts of soup.
Do love a soup. Third one, and you laughed at me for this, but
I did laugh at you for this, but you've persuaded me.
if you're out and about, it's difficult to find cheap food. And I was at the airport the other day, and yes, I went to Spoons, and food's cheap. It's not particularly brilliant, but it is edible and it is cheap. And you can get sausage and mash for £12.50. And if you get tea or coffee, you can fill them up continuously for free. The cheap eats part is it's in the airport where everything costs £1 million. And you can get free tea and coffee at Spoons in the airport. So wherever you are in the UK, there's a Spoons around the corner. The food's all right, it's edible, and it's cheap. And the coffee and tea is free. Can't get cheaper than free.
Can you have free tea and coffee if you don't eat?
No.
Fair enough.
You have to buy. You have to buy that. Well,
Fair
I
enough.
assume you do anyway. I don't know. I just ordered a cup of tea, and then went back and got about another 6 because there was a long time till the flight.
Fair enough.
Anyway,
Fair enough.
very cheap. 6 cups of tea, £2.
That sounds pretty good to me.
So there you go. That's really rather quick, as you might guess. We're heading out.
Hopefully not for too cheap an eat.
Not for too cheap an eat tonight.
I'm hoping he's taking me somewhere nice.
Don't hold your breath, kid. So thanks for watching along. Remember, watch everybody else's videos this month as well. All the collective guys will have some great things to keep you entertained.
Give us a like.
Give us a like. Write her a comment. She'll
Please write me a
read
comment.
it. She gets very happy when you
I
send
do
her.
like a comment.
The dog likes the comments too. She reads them with you.
Yes, she does. And if
She
she's
goes,
good, she'll give you a paw print.
You get a paw print back if you like. So thanks everyone, and we will see you with the Vanother Collective next month.
Bye.
Ta-ra! Bye. We all get together every month and we put out.
There goes the dog.
We all get together once a month and shoot the dog. Ready?
Yes. Hi. Take 6.
You're a div.